Hey, good morning. This is Dave at Greensboro, North Carolina at Greensboro Country Park. This is round two. Last time we caught 4 crappie, 3 or 4 brim or bluegill, caught a flathead catfish, got some more leaf worms from the yard after a rain, so hopefully we'll catch some more. Let's tear it up. Alright, we're just going to come right in on the end on this worm right here. He's making a sacrifice for our entertainment and to feed the fish. Just gonna run it up that hook and let it hang off a little bit like that, and that's all you need right there. Got a little weight, got a bobber, we should be all set. Alright, got us another catfish. This is a different one than last time. Pretty little catfish though, off of a worm. That's a pretty little catfish again. Alright guys, we got us another beautiful little crappie right here. And I noticed crappies are very hesitant when they hit a worm, just from my experience. Pretty little fish though. And look at the fins down here. Okay. I love these little ultralight rods right here. And I've just got some 6-pound test line on there. Maybe it's 4, I'm not sure. I think it's 4 actually. And another nice little pretty crappie. Yeah, that's a black crappie for sure. Oh man, he really got this hook up in there in him. Oh, well. I think he's all right. Yeah, that's a black crappie. Look at the tail. Yeah, but that's a black crappie right there. Pretty. Got some activity on the bobber here. Looks like one of these little small crappies. I'm very hesitant to bite it. Okay, this is what I'm going to switch up to right now, a doll fly. I'll release the worms or bring them back home and put them in a bed or something for future trip. Hey, what's up guys? This is Dave from Excursion America. It warmed up here in Greensboro, North Carolina today. The rain passed on through this morning when I was here. Warmed up. Look at all the people enjoying the park today. Man. Fished that pond earlier, caught a few crappie and catfish. It's on the video earlier. Had the bobber go down a few times. I switched up. I'm using a doll fly now, so maybe I'll catch a bass or larger crappie or something. I'm gonna leave here in a little while. It's 1:26 p.m.